Hi, this is today we are going to see about what is a relative layout in an Android Studio. A definition for a relative layout, it is a view group that displays child views in a relative positions. The position of each view can be specified as a relative to that particular sibling elements. For this let me explain for first what is a relative element. Now I have dragged down the relative layout, and here if I am going to place a plain text view here at the top of this, and we are going to get some parameters. See, here in the text I am going to see what is a relative layout, what is this match parent and match parent, all these attributes. First of all, what is a wrap content? For here, what is a wrap content? Here definition is whatever the text which that view wants to be just large enough to fit its own internal content. That is, the content in the text view is new text. Whatever the new text, it takes a space, that's wrap content it's going to show. That is, here the see, if I show the wrap content, it's going to see the new text. If I doesn't want this wrap content, then if I remove this wrap content and write what is match parent, and the other option, what it is going to see is it's going to match all this with, it's going to match the parent. See, all the text to it, see the all the it is there in the whole like width of this whole parent width. This is a match parent. And wrap content, if I remove this match parent and again if I do wrap content, see the that what it's going to show. If I select this text view, play, it's whatever we have written, only that much space it's going to take. Okay, this is a wrap content and match parent, one of this like layout width, how much we have to give, and height accordingly we have to give. And again the layout alignment parent top is there. Here it's going to give like Android text is there, ID is there, and align layout parent top equal to true. That means it's going to assign a parent, it is the top of the parent. See, here it's a linear layout line is there in the top, it's going to assign here. And where it's going to start is align parent start equal to true we have given. That means it's going to start from this here. If I doesn't give here a parent start, and if I remove this, and if I give 25 dp, then it's going to, and if I take and move this 59, see what it's going to see, 59 dp. Okay, here it's going to show this margin start as its align parent start, it's going to start, and its margin is going to start at particular, see, for particular dp, the pixels, it's going to start from here. And the next thing is, if I give a button and take it this below, and what it's going to show, see, it's a wrap containing this, what is the new button, it's there, it is going to be that one only. And if I give the match parent here, match parent, it is going to be, see, the big button, it will be all the parent, how much it's going to be. And then what it is, the layout below the particular id, layout below this positions to the top edge of this view below the view specified with an id source, resource id. This is the id of a text view. The for this text view, it's going to be below. For the text view, this button is going to be there, and where it's going to parent, it's going to align with the start. That is, it's going to start here, and it is below this particular text view, it is going to show. And the other thing is, and if I take this match parent and I remove this wrap content, and now if I see, and if I see center horizontal, see what it is, center horizontal, and again we have got a center horizontal. That means it is going to placed in a particularly center, that is horizontally and vertically. This is horizontally, it is in a center position. Okay, this is what. And then if I want to specify in center vertical, it is going to show, see, center vertical is, and that is the, it is exactly to the center vertically, it is center. And this is, and if I space vertically and horizontally center, and it is going to show center vertical and center vertical true and center horizontal true, both true. That is, it is more both centerly, it is both in a, both in an center, it is in both center, horizontally and vertically, it is center. That is what it is going to show. These are some of the attributes that we are going to, that we are going to see. That is how we, that is wrap content, how it is be, and parent and match parent, how it is. And the next, what is an id, it is declared with an particular particular widget is going to give an particular id. And how it's going to, according to relatively, how it is going to, where it is going to start, align. And the other thing is layout, center vertical. And other thing is where, and layout, bit below, and etc. There are different types. These are some of the layout para properties what we have seen. Thank you for listening for different types of properties in an relative